Welcome to the S.E.A channel! Yay!
The last one's the better. Best.
The last the best, as always. Good, eh?
Top 3 waterfalls in Brazil. Muito bom. Tremi pouquinho no braço.
Hello everyone, we're back. We are on the way to the Chapada dos Veadeiros. It's a really tourist location here next to Brasilia. It's not necessarily in the district of Brasilia. I don't know if you know, but Brasilia is not a state. Brasilia is a district, kind of like the Washington DC. And we're going all the way to Chapada, which is a very famous location in Brazil too. Waterfalls. I'm excited. Everybody says it's beautiful. It's like super different, everything that you ever seen, especially with waterfalls. I don't know what to expect. I've never seen any pictures or anything, so it's gonna be a really interesting. So it's a 3 hours drive all the way there, and we're gonna stay a night there because tomorrow we're gonna go to another waterfall. We just stopped right now to take a quick snack. You know, it's Lanchonete Portugal Lunches. What is it? Lanchonete Portugal. It's basically a place to stop and have some food, and it's a must-stop place. You know, everybody stops here before they go to continue the road. You know, now we're 1 hour away from it, and the cheese bread was amazing. A lot of cheese. Even the color of the cheese was different. Even the color of the cheese bread was a little bit more yellow. So I was like asking the lady, why was it more yellow than usual? And it was amazing. The best cheese bread I had in a while, to be honest. Daí ele aceitou. Vai do devagar, vai do devagar.
Peraí, agora você joga. Tem um buraco aqui.
Fica perto não, André, só vai perto de você. Vai acelerando devagarzinho. Isso. That was a fucking tough hill to come up. Jesus Christ. Look at that. We made it up the hill. We needed to get out of the car because it was very steep and it had a lot of fucking holes. But we made it. The driver made it.
Let's go! We just got the wrong road. You guys gonna see the images. But we survived.
Just parked the car. Take my eyes out. We're ready to go. Now we're gonna get 1 hour hike. It's not like super hard, but it's a bit long, you know. There's a lot of rocks, as they said. I'm not sure, but we are ready. No shirts off because it's hot as balls and also super dry. So always bring a lot of water and some hats, right? She got Andressa left borrowed me her hat because I forgot mine, and it's gonna be very stylish.
You gotta say the right name of the waterfall.
Oh yeah, what is it?
It's Cataratas do Couro.
There you go. All right, let's go. Time's on. Everybody's ready.
Let's go!
All the way down.
Wow! Wow! Oh my god!
That's the first one.
Where?
Over there. The first one.
That's the first waterfall. How many more do we have?
We have 4.
4 more?
Yes, the last one's the better. The best.
The last the best, as always. The first one, and he said it's not even that beautiful. Look at that.
can go.
Let's go.
Go.
Good space.
Heavy.
Lead the lead. Be the leader. Make the jump. Little face. Believe in yourself.
We gotta keep moving.
Vai aí.
Looks like what?
It's like Sonora.
I got you. You like it?
Huge, huh?
Beautiful. Dang, man, look at that. Going all the way over there. All the way down. This is the second stop, and it's already beautiful from up top. Let's check what's down there. It's gonna be a different angle. It's gonna be beautiful as well. Let's check. Alright, 45 minutes. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's a good time.
It was alright, right? Now it's time to get some fresh water and some jumps. Look, the guy jumping. Alright guys, we made it. It wasn't too long, 48 minutes of hike. It's not super difficult, you know. You really need to be aware of your ankles, you know, it's a lot of rocks, very rocky, so you need to be careful where you step. So it's not a hike like you're walking, like taking a look at the landscape, you know, see how beautiful it is. But like, every now and then it's good to like take a moment, you know, enjoy the view. It's a beautiful place. I've never seen something like this. The rock formation, the geology is quite unique. You know, there's a lot of cuts in the rocks. And on the way here, we did a few stops, you know, so if you come all the way, you know, just coming down the road, not the road, the hike, it takes less than 48 minutes. And now we just arrived. This place is beautiful, you know, it's quite unique. Never seen something like this. It's a very good environment, like it's clean, you know, you don't see a lot of human hands or trash, garbage everywhere, so it's very interesting to be in a nature like this, very preserved. Wait, we're gonna go for the jump, but he's gonna go first.
Always the first one.
It's the bait. No one. Here I go.
Wow!
My God, what a beautiful place. So unique. The geography, the biology, you know, the waterfalls are huge. There's a huge canyon, right? It just goes down for miles, you know, like you lose track of how big it is. We went to the edge of it to take a look, and it's insanely beautiful. It gives you like butterflies in your stomach because you look like you're gonna fall, you know, you're at the edge of a cliff, but you're not gonna go, right? But it's so beautiful, you know. I'm really thankful for Andres to receive me and to bring me to such a unique place. It's something I never thought I would do, so it's really going over my expectations. My expectations were zero, but still was so nice. I got super lucky with my flight tickets and also the time of the year that I came. This is actually the best season to come. Now we are in June. This is 1st of June. This is right at the end of the rainy season. So it's not too dry yet and it's not too rainy. So there's a few clouds, but there's a lot of water in the waterfalls. And also it's safer because if you come in the rainy season, there's a lot of like masses of water that come down the waterfalls without like that you don't know when it's gonna come. It's very dangerous. A lot of people die. It's called tromba d'água. I don't know how's that in English. But this is the best season. I'm really lucky with my flight ticket, so I'm super happy for that.
Stop talking and let's jump again.
You said it was easy. You were struggling as well. Man. I thought you were faking it. Come on. I thought you guys were good.
Over here.
Over here.
Second attempt. You guys look crazy.
That's it for today. The beautiful waterfall. What's it called again?
Cataratas do Couro.
Cataratas do Couro. What a place.
Top 3 waterfalls in Brazil. Right here.
You heard about it.
Stop for a little bit, right? We'll make your team. Boy, the sunset. Andrea. Your friends are professional filmmakers. That's the result. Look at that. Here's the angle. Essa casa suave.
Não, acho que não tá indo pra lá. Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 of the trip. We're going to the secret waterfall. That's definitely the name. That's the name, actually. Right, Andressa? And it's a 9-kilometer hike. Not too rocky, they said. The water, Jai told us, like it's super cold. Like you should be aware of hypothermia. So let's see. How far is it for car distance? 20 minutes of car drive from the town we're staying, São Jorge town. And all right, let's check it out. He's excited. Look at that. Look at the posture. Look at the posture.
Good morning, guys. I'm just tired.
Oh my God, we made it in the dirt road to here. It's quite an adventure. It's not really simple to arrive. If you have a rented car, it's a better option, you know. And if you get a 4x4, it's definitely easier to get in here. You know, it's not a 4x4. And, we struggle a little bit, but we made it. It's possible if you have a really good driver like that guy. And you're on. Alright, so how many kilometers are? 7 total? So 3.5 to go, 3.5 in back. The hike doesn't seem too hard. It's like 1 out of 5. What's the degree of difficulty? Medium? Low level. I mean, we do exercises, so it's long, you know. It takes quite a time, like an hour. But it's not very rocky like the last one. The last one's very rocky. I feel like little climbs. This one's more simple, you know, very straight. There's some few bridges. We had to pay entry fee, like 50 reais for each person if we don't have like a guide. But it's all right, you know. I haven't seen any pictures again from the waterfall, so let's see what it holds for me. Yesterday was kind of shocking, you know, to see all the biodiversity and all the rocks, the geology of the place. But this one is gonna, they said it's very different as well. So let's see. And I tripped.
Heard that this water is warmer than
The one above? Is it really? I can feel me. Made it.
looks like
How much time?
Avatar.
How much time?
Oh, let's see.
Let's check the
I
time.
reckon 1 hour, more or less. Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour. It was okay, right?
Easy.
2 out of 5?
Yeah, easier than yesterday.
Isn't any after
Made it, and it looks insane, like a movie, like, I don't know, Jurassic Park style, Avatar style. Like, if you look at the videos and you can imagine just the birds flying above of the waterfall, and it's huge, like a huge canyon, like a valley, I don't know, but so beautiful. It's huge, it's so big. I don't know if you can see the difference of size in the video, but it's massive. Ah, it's so peaceful as well.
It's cold, Mateus.
Cold, not cold. The breeze of the waterfall is already freezing, so I don't want to touch my toes with water. What an amazing waterfall, oh my god. People said the hype was too much, you know, for the cold water. It wasn't that cold. It's cold, but it's alright, you know. There's another place in Espírito Santo, it's way more cold. Like, you cannot even stay like 10 seconds. It's like an ice bath. But this one is chill. The water is really clean. You can see the bottom. There's some places that are very deep, and it's very calm, you know. Cold?
Not actually. I was
We're-
afraid.
You're expecting way worse, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Let's see Andres'. How cold is it?
He said the same thing.
Not cold at all.
Pay attention to the rocks.
Just a bit cold.
It's a bit cold.
It's more windy than cold.
You're not even shaking.
No. I'm good. If you want to go to a very cold waterfall, you should go to Poço das Antas.
Where is that?
In Espírito Santo, Chapada.
That's really cold. Yeah.
It's freezing.
You feel your
you
bones.
can't stay 1 minute.
You feel your bones cracking. Yeah, right.
Say bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe to your channel.
Fora vídeo.
Video.